If your life feels like it's falling apart, your finances, your focus, your discipline, your confidence, listen to me carefully. This is not motivation. This is a challenge. And no, it's not easy, but easy is what got your life messy in the first place. Let's fix it. We've all been there. Waking up tired, scrolling for hours, promising tomorrow I'll change, and then doing nothing. Yeah, tomorrow, the most productive liar we know. But what if, just what if, you ran your life like it actually mattered? If your life is a mess, I challenge you to do this every single day. The Daily Discipline Challenge. Wake up early. Not because it's trendy, but because winners don't negotiate with the snooze button. Avoid explicit content, because discipline starts in private, not on Instagram quotes. Drink 3 liters of water a day. Your body is tired because you treat it like a forgotten phone on 1%. Meditate for 10 minutes daily. Silence is powerful, especially in a loud, chaotic world. Eat healthy food. Fuel your body. You're not a decoration, you're a machine. Read at least 20 pages a day. Leaders are readers. Ignorance is expensive. Lift heavy. Life is heavy. Train for it. Track your progress. What gets measured gets improved. Build skills, not followers. Followers don't feed you. Skills do. Cut sugar and junk food. You can't eat like a child and expect adult results. Network with winners. If your circle doesn't inspire you, it's draining you. Ignore the news and drama. Most of it won't matter in 5 years, but your discipline will. Walk 10,000 steps or more daily. Movement creates momentum. Plan your day every morning. A day without a plan is a day you donate to chaos. Journal your wins and losses. Growth begins with honesty. Stretch or do mobility work daily, because pain-free movement is wealth. Take cold showers once a day. Uncomfortable? Good. That's where strength lives. Limit social media to 30 minutes. Stop watching other people live the life you're avoiding. Learn a new skill every week. Your future income depends on it. Avoid gossip and negative people. Energy is contagious. Protect yours. Review your finances weekly. If you don't control your money, it will control you. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Hustle culture without rest is self-destruction. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude turns what you have into enough. Speak less, do more. Results make noise, excuses talk. And finally, own your time, because time is your most precious resource. Once it's gone forever. This won't make you popular. It won't make life instantly easy, but it will make you dangerous. Dangerous to mediocrity, dangerous to excuses, dangerous to the old version of you. So here's my challenge to you. Try this for 30 days. No cheating, no excuses, no I'll start next week. And when your life starts to change, your body stronger, your mind sharper, your confidence unshakable, come back to this video and comment, I took control. If this message hit you, like the video, subscribe for more discipline-driven content, and share this with someone who needs a wake-up call. Remember, your life doesn't need motivation. It needs structure. Now go. Own your time. Own your life.